You may ask yourself why I have joined this movement. I have joined this movement because I've realized that I have a duty to my country.
Yes.
I have an obligation to make sure that we have good governance in this country. That is why I have joined this movement. I have joined this movement because I want to be the voice of the voiceless. I have joined this movement because I want to be the agent of change. I have joined this movement because previously the ideology has been that politics is a dirty game. I now want to prove to the world that clean people can play clean politics. I'm calling upon Kenyans to join this movement and liberate this country. The country is sick, the country is ailing, the country is in ICU. Fortunately, we have a good physician, we have a good doctor, we have a good political surgeon.
Yes.
And the good political surgeon is none other than Dr. Stephen Kalonzo. And the political surgeon has done it before with Mzee Kibaki. And therefore is not a trainee. He's not a person who is going to do guesswork. Huyu si jamaa wa bahati nasibu kama huyu Kasongo. Huyu ni jamaa amekuwa tried and tested. We had President Kenyatta one. He governed this country with the 1963 Constitution. We saw what happened. We had President Moi. He governed this country with the 1963 Constitution. There was corruption, there was theft, there was spillage of national resources, and the country went south. Then we had Mzee Kibaki with the same Constitution. He came and led this country to the successes together with His Excellency Colonso Musyoka. The country thrived, the economy expanded, the infrastructure of our country grew, our people went to school, there was no food insecurity, there was security in the country.
Yes.
Why? Because of character. Because of the character of a president. So when you get a rogue president whose history in the entry of Kenyan politics is YK92, what do you expect? Kama huyu jamaa aliingia katika uongozi wa nchi ya Kenya kupitia YK92 na tunajua vile ilivyofanya, una expect jamaa atakuwa kasisi? Hawezi kuwa kasisi. That is why you have abduction and nobody apologizes. That's why you have extrajudicial killings and everything is normal. That is why you have the stealing of our national resources and everything is okay. You heard what Jirongo said, that when he was in YK92, alikuwa anauza t-shirt moja mara 10. Kwa sababu karakta yake ni karakta ya nini? Sisi mkisema karakta huyo jamaa ni karakta ya nini? Ya wizi. Kwa hivyo una expect jamaa atabadilika vipi? Hakuna. Na sasa tuko na nafasi nyingine nzuri sana ya kuchagua rais ambaye karakta yake na tabia zake ni tabia nzuri. Na kwa hivyo nawahimiza nyinyi wanachama, mtakapo kwenda pale kutafuta kura za Mheshimiwa Kalonzo Musyoka, mzungumzie kuhusu tabia zake. Kama mtu ako na tabia ya wizi, hatabadilika. Hata akitoa shilingi milioni 20 kanisani ni mwizi. Ni mwizi. And that is why the character of an individual is very, very important. Tunaelewana? Yes. Kwa nini Kibaki aliweza kuongoza nchi kupitia katiba ya 1963 na akaongoza vizuri? Kwa nini jamaa ako na katiba ya 2010 na jamaa ameiba nchi ikaisha? Look at our foreign policy. Amekwenda pale Beijing juzi, jana. Ameenda akapiganisha nchi ya Kenya na Tanzania, amepiganisha nchi ya Kenya na nchi ya Uganda. Amepiganisha nchi ya Kenya na nchi ya Kongo. amepiganisha nchi ya Kenya na nchi ya Sudan. So our East Africa community and the union is in shambles because of the character of the president. So we must call him out. We must tell him that this country belongs to us and nobody can touch us.